All right, if you've got that athlete that is ready for their kipping muscle up and they want to see what that feels like before they move to the high rings, here's a drill that you can use with them and a progression that you can use with them to feel that kipping muscle up where we're not using the false grip. So what I'm going to have my athlete do, Christian's going to sit his butt on the ground directly underneath the rings. We want the feet flat right here. He's going to grab the rings without his false grip. And then I'm going to cue him to drive his hips up by driving his heels into the ground. Once his hips get in line almost with the rings, then he's going to transition through. So this is what we're looking for here. Hips go up, then he transitions through. That's what this should look and feel like when we're on the high rings and we're using that big kip to elevate our center of mass. Now, if our athlete can do this and they move pretty well, we can make this more challenging just by simply moving the feet out. So we still want our hips scoot up just a little bit, back just a hair, right there. Pretty much directly underneath the rings, maybe just slightly behind. And now he's moved his feet out so his feet aren't flat. He's gonna be driving through his heels, but he's still thinking the same thing. We want the hips as high as we can get him. The hips go up, he presses down. Once his hips are high, then he transitions through. And this is going to help our athletes start to work on the timing needed and the patience needed for the hips to get high enough in that kipping muscle up and when to transition and how to get on top of those rings. So try this drill when you're working with your athletes in their kipping muscle ups.